Hello students of Standard 8. Welcome to DAV Mobile Public School. I am your social science teacher Nitin Pushpatode. Today I will take the revision of the Nationalist Movement part first. So let's start our today's online session. Formation of Indian National Congress. Listen, the Indian National Congress was formed in December 1885 by A.O. Hume. A.O. Hume was the British official and he founded the Indian National Congress. Gradually, the Congress became the backbone of the national movements. Then, during the early phase of the Congress, it was influenced by some leaders who referred as moderates. Students, during that time, moderates were demanding. That means they had a demanded. So, which demanded they had? Listen, have a respective institutions in the whole country for the welfare of the people, create provincial legislative councils in all provinces, hold civil services examination in India, stop the drain of the wealth to Britain, ensure the growth of Indian industries and handicrafts. So like that they had demands. Again, simultaneously, students, there was another group, radicals. Students, Arvind Ghosh, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and Bipin Chandra Pal. These leaders were known as radicals. Radicals did not believe in appeals; they believed in actions. That means protests, hartals, and slogans. They propagated Indian culture and Hinduism also. So there were the two groups. That means these were the members of Congress. First, radicals, and second, moderate group. Conflict between moderates and radicals. That means, students, during the nationalist movement, among these two groups, there was a great conflict. How? Students, moderates believed in a non-violence activities. That means peaceful revolution. But radicals, they believed, that means they did not believe in appeals. They did not believe in non-violent revolution. They believed in actions, that means protests, hartals, and slogans like that. So students, moderate leaders like Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Dadabhai Naoroji, they had a different ideology as compared to the radicals like the Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, and Bipin Chandra Pal. That means Lal Bal Pal. Students, the difference between the moderates and radicals came to head during the Surat session in 1907. So there was a split in the party and the two group parted ways. That means after the Surat session 1907, Congress was divided into the two group, moderates and radicals. So moderates, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Dadabhai Naoroji, and radicals, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, and the Bipin Chandra Pal. That means these are the leaders of these two groups. Partition of Bengal 1905. Students, why did partition of Bengal happen by the Britishers? Listen, there were some reasons. First, in order to weaken the national movement. Second, to break down the Hindu-Muslim unity. And third one, Britishers wanted to divide Indians and rules. So that's why, under the guidance of Lord Curzon, a Governor General of India during that time, this was happened. Students, so partition of Bengal was objected by the radical group of the Congress specially, and they had to decide to run the Swaraj movement. So that's why Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. The slogan was given by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Students, these radical leaders were motivated the people under the Swaraj movement. For love for the Swadeshi goods, then participation in mass rallies to boycott the foreign goods, boycott of the government services, schools and colleges, then surrendered of titles conferred by the Britishers. So through the Swadeshi movement, that means yes, Swaraj Swadeshi movement, these things were doing by the people of India after the guidance of radicals. So ultimately, students, the leaders of India and the people of India objected the partition of Bengal. Formation of Muslim League. Muslim League was formed in 1906 by Aga Khan and Nawab Salimullah of Dhaka. Students, Britishers were practicing the policy of divide and rule to weaken the nationalist movements. They encouraged the Muslims to form a separate organization of their own. So That was the result what Muslim League was formed in 1906 by Aga Khan. Next, Morlamento reforms. The British government announced Morlamento reforms to pacify the moderates, to break down the unity of Hindu and Muslims. How? According to Morlamento reforms, British government just granted the separate electorate for the Muslims. So these reforms was further threat to the Hindu-Muslim unity in the national movement. The moderates, that means the leaders of Congress, opposed it, and the struggle for Swaraj became more intense. Next, Home Rule League. In 1916, Home Rule League was formed in Madras by Annie Besant, and again Home Rule League was formed by the Bal Gangadhar Tilak in Maharashtra. That means from the Madras, Annie Besant was the leader of Home Rule League, and in Maharashtra, Bal Gangadhar Tilak was the leader of Home Rule League. Students, what was the purpose of Home Rule League? Listen, the purpose of this league was to attain self-government. The British government tried to crush the movement, but agitation continued, so that's why it was formed. Second, Lucknow Pact. Students, during the Congress session, that means Surat session in 1907, Congress was divided into the two groups, moderates and radicals. So in 1916, the moderates and radicals reunited to strengthen the national movement after 9 years, and they signed a joint pact at Lucknow with the Muslim League. It's called the Lucknow Pact. They jointly demanded self-rule for India once again. Okay students, here are some important questions. You have to read and write the answers of these questions with respect to an exam. Okay students, I will take the revision of remaining portion of this lesson in the next online session. Till then, thank you very much and have a nice day.